tongan city sing da pangthokpa press conference sing mai paklakpa amadi funding thingzillakpadagi Kochi da tawgadaba press conference ama thingnaba honarakle kukina direct thingkhrabasu makhoigi khut yaure haibadi khangle paisa oina mating pangdana potchei oina mating panglagani amadi Christian NGO amana yum chama maitei amadi kuki singi punna sanaba thazaba pirakle gawada pangthokpa press conference amada cyclist amadi social activist Rohan Film amasung Gawa Manipuri Maitei Association gi thomi singna loinana Manipur gi issue asi drugs, narco-terrorism, homeland, reserve forest issues, illegal immigrant na chingba singna thokal lakpani haina phongdokre Maitei singbu yamna lana uramba kaya amadi Christian amadi Hindu gi issue oina urambadu Manipur da hanba oina Christian oikhibasi angom Porom Singh Maitei ni haibada angakpa oikre tongan ba wahang singi pakumda Rohan na haiki Maitei singna nupi macha ani naked parrot tawkibadu matang da Maitei amatana soikiba Pota kaidonungda justified taude masana maral yazai isasu condemn tawi adubu ngasi faba kuki amatana linthoi ngambi amadi Hemanjit hatpada kuki amatana condemn taudabasi karigino haina hangke Church fraternity nasu maike animaki wari taraba matungda kangluf animaki asoiba loinamak lei victimization game yauri haibasi khangba ngamki hari
Manipur, and I don't support Honorable Prime Minister on that. Being a Christian Chief Minister, I really do have a respect for Mr. Zoramthanga, the Honorable Chief Minister of Mizoram. But let me have the courtesy of telling this. In the next speech or in the next press briefing, I would like Honorable CM of Mizoram to tell this statement that I also condemn burning and vandalizing of 8 Meitei Christian churches by my 𝐂𝐸𝐬𝐿 community. Burning of the 200 Meitei Christian houses by my 𝐂𝐸𝐬𝐬 community. Let him tell that statement in the next press conference. Let's see the circumstances. If he really do cares for the Christian fraternity, then let him make that statement also.